Greetings, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making some lemon and olive hummus. Really simple recipe, but baby boo boo can't be bothered. I hope you enjoy watching her breathe. So to get started, you're going to need some chickpeas. These are dry chickpeas that I cooked and then froze and then thawed. And a couple of lemons. This is some olives and the brine, some tahini. And this is a life hack. Before you juice your lemons, peel off the peel, and you can actually dry that out and save it and turn it into something you can add to your tea. So I'm just putting this on a plate, and then I'm going to stick it up in a high shelf in my apartment. It's winter, it's dry, they'll dry out in a few days. So get your hummus in your food processor, not your hummus, your chickpeas, and you're going to roll out your lemons to get maximum juicing power out of them and cut them in half so you can get the juice out. And through a sieve, you're just going to juice all of that lemony goodness into your food processor with the chickpeas. And then you're going to add in the brine from your olives. This is just like the bottom of the barrel, so to speak, of my olives. And you're going to add in a nice heaping gooey spoonful of tahini. And then you are going to scrape all that tahini off and blend. So just blend. This whole recipe is just blending. Just blend. It's so exciting. Scrape down the sides after you've blended for a while. Add a little more water if you need to. And then you're going to blend some more. Blendy blend. Give it a taste. Ooh, it's good. And then you're going to add in your olives and blend it a little bit more. Now, the reason why I put them in later is I like little chunks of olives. But you could just put everything in at once. It's your hummus. You do what you want, guys. And then, when you're all done blending it, it's the texture you like, you're going to put it into a container. So I'm just using this fancy schmancy mason jar because, I'm a YouTuber. Isn't that what we do? I used to can before I had a kid. But now, just use what you got. You don't have to go out and get mason jars. And then you're going to have a snack of avocado toast. And I filmed it in the wrong direction. I'm exposed. So thanks for watching. And subscribe and all that cool stuff. Thanks. Bye.